Hi everyone, my name is Alexandre and I am from Brazil, and I'm making this video now to share with you my solution to use a three-way switch with the Sonoff Basic version R2. The reason why I'm making this video is because I was looking for a solution to use the three-way switches, but I could not find any video or tutorial on the internet to use these three-way switches with the R2 version of the Sonoff Basic. What I found was a video from Dr. Z, very nice guy, very nice videos, that teaches me to use the single switch like this one with 2 pins only. And I did a little research and I found some different solutions, but none of them fits for me. So I developed this solution for use the three-way switches with the Sonoff Basic. The point here is you can turn on and off the Sonoff Basic using those switches individually. Here in Brazil we call this kind of connection parallel connection. Probably USA you say three-way connection, I don't know. What I'm planning to do is using these Sonoff Basics in my new house. I'm building a house. I probably use like a 50 or 60 of those Sonoff Basics. So I have to have a solution like this. This is very simple. What I've done here was use the pin called RX. This one here, RX pin. And the ground pin, the GND. The reason why I had to do that is because this Sonoff version, the R2 version, does not have the GPIO 14 here. We just have only 4 pins, and the best solution was using this RX pin that actually is the GPIO 03. Doing that, you lose the ability to do serial communication with your Sonoff Basic, but once you have already flashed the Tasmora or other software here, you don't need it anymore. By the way, I'm using Tasmora here. Thanks for the guy that developed Tasmora, excellent solution. So I just soldered 2 wires, one here in ground and another one on RX, and this is my Sonoff that is connected to the mains here and here, and those wires here, the white one is the ground that is connecting the middle of the switch, and another one, the blue one, is the RX. Once you do that connections, you have to go to your configuration menu of your module. You can go here in configuration, configure module, and set the GPIO 03 serial into a switch 109. Once you do that, you just save it and it's done. The wheel works perfectly like this. And the another 2 pins, what I've done here is I connected with these alligators here just to do my test environment, and you have to connect it one in another side of the switches, the red one, black one, the black one, and it's very simple and it works perfectly. As you can see here, you can turn on here, turn off, and another one. You can do that, and you can do using the software as well. This thing says putting, you can throttle here, as you can see, and turn off here, whatever you want to do. It's very useful and works perfectly. What I'm planning to do is using the Sonoff Basics with the Node-RED software to control everything, to do the maps and everything else. I'm using here Node-RED with Mosquito, the broker, and I hope that will work perfectly, and it's working very good. Those Sonoff Basics are interesting devices and very useful, reliable devices. I will probably change those boards here. I don't like it. I will probably change it for something a little bit stronger and better. I don't know yet what I'm going to do, but I will. Of course, I will do some different connectors to use it inside my walls, but the basic stuff is have already been done here, and it is working. So thank you for watching. I'm here to share with you my solution. Thanks to the DIY community for sharing also lots of stuff about the Sonoff Basic, this wonderful device. Thank you.